Sto hwn yn mynd o.
Croeso nôl. Right, here we go. Right, rannu fe dy Emrys nawr. Credu, okay. Ydy nhw'n okay I ti, Emrys?
Yndi.
Okay, good.
Sgrif I ddim odion di batch.
Oh, no.
Canu'r gêm nes I ti dwytha I fi de. Dim
Oh, yeah. Oh, na I neud hwnna te. Okay. Screens. O, sut nes I rannu'r game? O, Scum, dyna ni.
Ie.
Dyna sut I neud e. Right, dylech chi cael y game nawr, unwaith fi'n gwasgu'r bwtwm, fi ddim quite mewn. Ydy ni... Mae'r dash yma'n really bach fan hyn, just angen checio. Ydy ni'n fyw ochr...
Yndan. Mae stream on gyda fi o.
Okay, good, diolch beth. Right.
Dwi eisiau update a subscription fi, so dwi'n mynd I bwysio hwnna fan. So ddod I cael.
Right, so just I esbonio I bawb nawr, ni di... Hey, diolch Emrys. Oh, fantastic.
Dwi'n heb dod fyny, chwaith te?
Ie, mae wedi. So, diolch yn fawr am ail dan ysgrifio Emrys, a diolch am helpu fi setio hwn I gyd. So, dwi wedi wneud o'r diwedd a big push o Streamlabs OBS, achos fel chi gyd wedi bod yn sylwi, mae Streamlabs wedi bod yn poen yn y pen ôl, achos mae fe just yn gollwng allan a mynd off, a ni bendant yn gwybod taw Streamlabs yw e, achos mae Emrys a fi dal wedi bod yn siarad a popeth, a bod yn rannu stuff ar Discord, so, you know, rhaid bod yn just issue Streamlabs. Y theory yw bod nhw eisiau pawb I dalu a dyna pan nhw'n neud e. Fi'n credu mae hwnna'n bosib iawn. Right, mae'r baddies yn mynd I dod ar ôl.
Ie, dwi'n mynd gyddiad.
Ie.
Baby burn.
After you.
Wow! Forget about it. Will you shut up? Of course we should search this area. For all we know, the fugitives could be hiding right here, in our own backyard.
Wait a minute.
Oes ti'n fan o Malcolm in the Middle, Emrys?
Refuge in CD's club.
O, fi. O, mae hwnna ar fel Music 4 neu rhywbeth. Mae hwnna... Neu 4 Music. Oh my gosh, fi'n caru'r mynd nôl I gwylio nhw.
Fe, sgwyddo mi ddim television... O, mae gyda fi television yn tefi, ond sgwyddo fi ddim channels.
Right.
Nes I ddim... Dwi'n reid eriol yn fas. Dwi'n mythu beth fel weithiau.
Yeah.
Good night.
Diolch,
We
Beth.
did it! We outwitted 3 morons.
Well, at least it beats being outwitted by 3 morons.
So, now we siarad I CD.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me? What kind of talk is that? Take my advice. A guy could find himself with his face caved in mouthing off like that in my club. Did you clowns figure it was ladies' night or something?
Ah, shut up, you bald-headed twit.
That's better. Now, what can I do you for, creeps?
Creeps?
We like 2 pairs of shoes. I'm a size 10. My friends are...
Oh, a couple of hot shots, huh? Well, listen, I see hot shots like yours come true here every day, gunning for roads.
Dwi'n mynd bellach am
And I watch them
Okay,
crawl
so ni'n
right
mynd
back
allan o fan
out the door.
hyn. Ydy ni'n gallu pigo
Loses
pethau fyny fan
every
hyn?
damn one. Now,
Na.
why
Dim
don't
hyn o
you
bryd.
just...
Okay.
So, nawn ni, da eisiau mynd trwy
I
inventory
don't
ni fan.
understand. Gunning?
I fi cael
You?
hintio stwff I chdi.
Listen, chump, the only shoe you'll get from me will need to be surgically
Oh, gosh.
removed from your...
Ydy ni'n neud y stwff o'r toilets, do?
Wait a minute.
Do.
You two ain't aware that
Do, ni
I,
di cael
CD, am the one
pysgodyn
and only champion of
anhygoel neu beth
hairpin
bynnag.
bowling?
No. Hold on. Hairpin bowling?
Where you jerks been? baking cookies. Hairpin bowling is the toughest, gruelingest, sweatingest sport ever
Hairpin
invented.
bowling.
It's so tough,
Oh my
you gotta fight for a lane. And once you get some, the only score what counts is a strike. And nobody ever scores a strike. That is, nobody but me.
So, CD, you and Nefarious ever
And she
get
pins
together,
within her
bowling?
pitha.
Nah, his
Fist
dark
and them.
unholiness
Yeah.
rarely graces us with his royal presence. He just hangs out in his impenetrable island fortress.
Yeah, dwi'n
castle,
cofio all
place thing, working on his
tro
dreams for
diwetha,
global
o'n i
domination,
di
torturing the
tricio'r
innocent and
guy
having like a
robot
man.
yna. Wel, dyn mewn...
Explodio.
Ie,
Ever been inside
explodio.
his fortress, castle, place, thing?
Are you kidding? Nobody wants to go inside that joint.
Iawn.
If he's not careful, a guy could get himself
Heb i iwsio
dragged
bach o Mind
inside by the
Olympics i
Count's
gael
tree
chi gallan be'n un nesaf.
Okay, good.
Talk
Good.
about freaks.
Coffi yna.
What do you know about the Count's henchmen?
Those three half-finished morons who work for Nefarious? That's sort of the Malevolence PD. Creepy mothers, too. Rumor has it that old Nefarious brought them back from the dead. Naturally, they think he's just the cat's meow. They kiss his butt up and down, do whatever he says. You know, toadies, they kind of make me sick.
Hold on. He brought them back?
From the dead?
Sure, but don't get excited. It's not all it's cracked up to be, all right? These chumps weren't exactly in tip-top shape when they came to.
Oi, man,
One guy
realist.
couldn't hear,
Ie, di.
one couldn't talk,
Eddie.
and one couldn't see. The robot maker across the
Mae
way
fo'r
rigged
Bronx,
up
fi'n
phony
credu.
eyes and
Beth
ears.
yw'r acen yna? Beth yw'r acen
Like I
yna,
said.
Emrys, ti'n meddwl?
Real creepy.
I can
White
tell by the
guy.
house rules that you're a fair
Italian-American,
Seedy.
bendant,
The
do it.
range,
Ie.
but fair.
But tell me, why is everybody
Henchman
fighting to
telling
get a
them.
lane? What's the big attraction?
Well, a good rumble is reason enough for most of us. But there is the added incentive of a prize. See,
A smoc
you
bit
score
fewn.
a
Sgwyd hynna, wan.
you win these three
Huh?
beautiful golden pins.
A smocio tu fewn.
Ie, fi'n gwybod bod chi ddim yn cael hwnna dyddiau yma.
Yeah. Take a good look, chumps. That's the last you'll be seeing of these. Unless you score a strike, that is.
Dwi'n fi teimlad fydd ni'n cael strike eventually.
Do you mind running through the rules for
Bendant.
hairpin bowling again?
Dwi'n cael y
Okay,
teimlad bydd
suckers.
rhywbeth
You're
lle
free
chi'n
to use
twyllo
any technique
rhywsut
that trips your
i
trigger.
giro fe.
But the ball's gotta make it in one piece all the way to the pin.
Neu magnet, fi'n teimlo
Only
falle
score
bydd
what
magnet.
counts.
Neu
Here's
rhywbeth
a
fel yna.
strike.
Should you do the impossible and score a strike, the grand
Wel, ti eisiau meddwl amdan
victory goal
be 'di'r lliw y penalty
is
fan'na?
all yours.
O, porffor.
So,
Pwy arall
see,
sy'n parfa?
what's your secret? Why are you the only one
O,
who's ever
ti'n
scored a
rowlio
strike?
fe lawr
To
a
be
cael
a
strike gyda
world-class
fe.
bowler,
Flex.
You need years
Okay.
of practice.
Okay,
Huge
ie, mae hwnna'n neud
cojones.
synwyr.
And of course,
Os mae fe'n
my
neud
special
tuck
technique.
roll,
Step
pen lawr,
aside,
bydd e'n...
Yeah.
Good
Watch
job.
and learn.
Oh, wow. Dyna sy'n neud y gêm yma, rhaid...
O!
Y cutscenes ma'n anhygoel.
Lladd y pel na fan.
Fi'n gwybod, fi'n gwybod. Dyna chi sgil. Os mae'n rechu fe mas,
Look, man, no hands.
pam bydd e'n neud hwnna? Dangos pobl.
Mae'r gêm yma'n cymryd twist, yndi?
Ydy, ydy. Fi'n credu... Fi'n gofyn y ffordd oedd Ren and Stimpy-esque. Oedd hwnna'n... Fi'n credu maen nhw'n mynd mor dywych â hynny.
Strike! Ta-da!
Ah, that kind
O,
of
na sgwynnu'r comic yma, y cartoon yma, ie.
Fans, all the animals were harmed
Oh,
during
yeah.
that
Na,
performance.
na.
So pan mae o...
Easy.
You must
Oedd
make
wedi
him
gwneud
look
fluffy
very
bun
proud.
bun, a
Yes,
oedd
that's for your
Flux
bowling
yn un o'i
technique.
cymeriadau,
Wow,
oedd e
it's,
eisiau cael,
very
ond oedd e ddim really
Yeah,
di cael
It's a
unrhyw
real
hwyl arno fe.
gas.
Well. Ain't we cheap?
So fos di creu y byd yma
I
de?
guess the bottom line is that
Yn
it
pen
works.
fe, fi'n
That's
credu.
right.
Sa'n
Yeah,
credu-
so-
Just any old
Dwi'n mynd
bum
dach
could
pan
pull
mae o
it off.
mor
All right, no more.
sioc pan mae'n gweld stwff am y tro gynta. Os di dod o
Mr.
meddwl fo.
I
Yeah.
was wondering if we might get another demonstration of your fascinating bowling
O na,
technique.
sorry.
Yeah, I miss
Nah.
that icky feeling
Sorry.
occasionally.
Gallai skipio fe.
Sure.
Gallai skipio fe, mae'n iawn.
Okay.
Thank
Iawn,
you for your time, Mr. Seedy, sir.
dwi'n siarad chdi...
I thought I told you.
So fi'n siarad amdan
Man's
hwn
only
cymryd
making
turn
trouble around
Yeah.
for the worst yn y game yma.
Stuff
Dwi'n
it.
siarad chdi... Hwna'n pwysig gwan, y ffordd dwi'n siarad dilyn
Mind
o'ch
if I
di.
change into
Okay.
something a little more comfortable?
So, agor inventory bag.
Right.
So,
Yeah.
be oedd y peth dwytha gatho ni stream dwytha?
Plien, saith.
Plien. Be... Stereotypically wan, be fysa chdi'n gallu neud efo plien?
Ticlo rhywun.
Ticlo rhywun, iawn, oce. So, di pobl yn cael ticlo?
Na.
Na. Di ticlo yn neis iawn, mae rei pobl yn licio oes.
Yeah.
Sut fath o
Fi'n
bobl-
gwybod pwy yw y buwch nawr ti di roi i fi. Mae'r buwch, y torch o fe, nid yw cael ei chwipio gan y dafad, sy'n really odd dweud hwnna, mae fe'n game cartoon
Ie.
Ond fi'n credu, ticlo sy'n mynd i wneud e. Right, okay, good. So ni'n gwybod i mynd nôl. Mynd i'r stabal yna. A ticlo y
Payoff efo scarecrow na.
Fi ddim yn siŵr, mae just yn nuts a... Rhaid fi gofyn y cwestiynau to, dwi'n credu.
More!
Okay.
More!
Fi sy'n neud hwn mor gyflym a sy'n bosib achos
Mae
mae
hwn yn... Dwi ysgrif bach y bit am ei
Tickle, tickle.
Ie. Byddwn ni ddim eisiau mab fi sy'n wyth gweld y bit yma.
You worms
Yeah.
take some glue.
Okay.
Punish her.
Ne,
Yn wedi gyfer Elmer ddim yma wan.
Thank you both
Yeah.
so much.
A mae fe'n glid.
Blue,
Feel
iawn.
free to stick around
Okay.
and watch.
We're gonna
won't
glue
you?
one, oes?
Tickle
Oes.
me, my wild and woolly
So-
one. Tickle me until
O,
I
un munud, fi'n credu fi'n
Yes.
cofio rhywbeth fan hyn. Fi'n credu mae rhywbeth i wneud gyda creu...
Can we
Eh,
go
eh.
now?
I just love happy endings.
Mae hwnna'n wrong yn dywe.
Na, so mae glue wan de.
Ie. Cael ei wneud.
You've had enough glue.
Okay.
Iawn, oce. So, yn y lle tempyn bowling na wan, iawn.
Ie.
Pam, da ni'n methu... Da ni'n methu chwarae ar hyn o byd da.
Na.
Pam? Be sy'n stopio ni rhaid chwarae?
Fi ddim yn siŵr.
Wel, so len sbar.
Na. O, so ni
Na.
roi glid ar y thing a bydd e'n mynd a cael ei taflu allan neu beth bynnag. So mae glid, mae bendant glid ar y pêl yn
Ie.
option. So, nawn ni mynd mewn...
We can't get in there. That hairy thing is in the way.
O, os rhaid i ti wneud e bob tro?
Oh, we'n stupid.
Fi ddim yn hoffi hwnna. Fi'n credu dyle ti...
Na.
Unwaith ti wedi wneud e unwaith, dyle nhw just...
Activate
Yeah.
clocking
Gosh.
device.
Dyle nhw just cymryd bod e'n ffain.
Harry, Bunky Potter, hwnna efo cloc.
Don't mind us, ma'am. We're just passing through.
Ti'n Harry Potter fan.
Then hustle.
O, fi di gweld rhan fwyaf o'n nhw. A o'n i'n hoffi chwarae fe fel game ar y PlayStation 1. Oedd hwnna fel, oh my god, mae hwn mor funny bod ni'n chwarae game pixelated 3D.
Nes ti chwarae ar un... Nes i rhaid chwarae fe, o'n i'n gwachio Giant Bomb yn chwarae fe.
Ie.
Ar un ar Xbox 360. Oedd o fatha Gears of War, ond efo wizards.
Na.
Fatha cover-based shooter.
No way. Oh yes.
Behold, a bear trap.
A bear trap, gwir.
Good night.
Good night. Na, falle bod e'n Russia, actually, cefndir Eastern European. Good night, Brezhnev. Oh! Nice.
Bydd gynta, animeiddio ta'r motion caption.
Good style, good form, good adhesion. Overall, I'd give him
Dwi'n
a 9.
credu probably animeiddiadau...
Good night.
O na, bydd rhaid wneud y motion capture, achos mae rai o'r animeiddiadau... Mae rai o'r motion capture gyda'r animeiddiad mewn. Right, here we go then. A fi eisiau...
Good night.
O, fi'n gallu siarad dy fe, gofyn os fi'n gallu bowlio nawr.
Excuse me, sir.
What Drew's trying to say is... Aloha, dung ball!
What do you two losers want now?
Right, nawr ni'n
Can
gallu
you run through
bowlio.
the rules for bowling once more?
Score a strike and win the golden pins. Or don't and fail miserably. My money, by the way, is on you
O, falle mae rhaid i chi trio wneud e'n gywir gyda beth sydd dy ti.
Ie.
A wedyn,
Say,
ti'n gallu
why don't
wedyn
you just
trio
beat
rhywbeth
it,
gwahanol.
mister?
No. Is that all you got, flower girl?
O, mae'n pwyntio at y ni, at y sgrin. Nhw'n torri'r pedwerydd wal nawr.
I
Whoa.
think she's got it.
Right, here we go. Oh, Fred Flintstone.
CD was right. I'm never gonna get a strike.
Dwi'n gath o talu millions am hwn, ti'n dda.
Fi ddim yn siŵr.
Oedd o'n gwarantu hynna.
Burn, baby, burn.
Fi ddim yn siŵr achos... O, mae ddim yn gael fi wneud hwnna. Ond does da ddim opsiwn am...
Hynna... O,
On
beth
the level end,
Len.
everything deviates from the
O, ar y
straight
len?
line.
Okay,
Even
okay.
the
Ie,
bowling
sy'n
line.
fo ar y len.
Lane, oh, right, okay. Dyna
I know
ni.
this may be kind of unpleasant for you,
Dyna
little
ni.
buddy, but I want you to know that it hurts you more than it hurts me.
Aw, that's sweet.
Oh.
Hey, wait a minute.
Dyna ni.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Wel, sy'n bita yn mynd her.
You did it!
Whew, thank goodness. I was afraid you'd have to shoot me out of your butt.
Pam?
A strike. I'll be damned.
Yeah, and we didn't even use your special technique.
No ifs, ands, or buts.
Those two chumps scored a strike.
Yeah.
A strike. Nobody scores a strike but me.
CD,
Come on, CD.
A strike.
look, CD, I don't mean to rush the grieving process here, but could we have our trophy? We kind of got to get going.
Ah, take it.
Ie, fel lot o stuff fan, den.
I do.
Yeah. Go ahead. Destroy my business. Destroy my reputation.
So, gyda'n good, ni di
O,
gorffen gyda...
o!
I
Oce,
should have
so
believed-
dwi'n jyst yn mynd i ddeu hyn i chdi.
Go on.
I hate to see a grown man cry.
Yeah, especially one in a tutu.
Iawn, oce. Squirrel, di ti'n nesaf eisiau taclo.
Fi'n gwybod,
Does
fi'n
this
credu
mean we
fi'n
can't be
cofio
friends?
squirrel
Oce.
o pan o'n i'n plentyn. Mae yna
So
rhywbeth
ti eisiau...
wneud, ni angen creu squirrel merch i fe redeg
Ie.
ar ôl. So, nawr mae gyda ni glid.
Presto.
Ie.
Ni'n
Change-o!
gallu...
Ti'n glwio
Glid.
dau peth.
Ie. Dwi'n credu... Dyna pam fi'n confused cyn, achos o'n i'n gallu gweld e, ond yn amlwg oedd dim... O'n i ddim yn siŵr os oedd dy fi'r doi peth cywir i wneud ar y pwynt yna. So, na i trio pethau nawr. O'n i'n credu taw...
Ti'n edrych fatha squirrel o
Hwn,
hwnna.
hwn.
Mistress
Nah.
Marge's glue. Mistress Marge's glue.
Pa I dweud wrth fi? So, glid.
That would just be a waste.
Yes. Okay. Ond beth arall?
A cheap chain
meddwl
from
bod
the
y
arcade.
doi danu.
Ie. Ie, hwnna'n iawn.
Candy.
Ti'n gwneud glw a
Gli
hynna.
ar hwnna a wedyn y doi piece. Okay.
Ie.
Okay.
Cotton candy and glue. A yummy treat.
Gwych. Right, so mi'n nôl. Just roi nhw.
Keys from the baker's piano with glue.
Okay. So, fi ddim yn...
Ti'n rhoi glw ar y cotton candy?
Cotton
Fi
candy
wedi.
and glue. A yummy
Mae bod yna
treat.
rhywbeth arall hefyd then.
Cotton candy and glue. A yummy treat.
So mae'r... Rhaid bod yna trydydd peth, oes e?
Use the glue on the piano keys and on the cotton candy. O! Na, un thing arall.
Okay, good. O, ni ddim gyda fe eto. Okay, anghofio fe then. Am nawr.
Ond, na, iddo.
The squirrel's doorstep.
Beth yw'r trydydd peth?
Fluffy cat.
Pa het?
Fluffy cat.
Oh, fluffy cat. Right, okay. Nawn ni edrych am hwnna then.
O, sorry. O, nôl i castell.
Yay. Okay, good.
Castell. Dwi'n ffrang.
O, Zain ddim y castell dda, castell drwg, malevolent
Na.
castell. Ah, okay, sorry.
Na,
sorry.
castell da.
O, ni...
Castell da, ti'n mynd i?
Oh, sorry.
O, wedi ni iwsio'r thing na. Cilch na.
O, ble ddo? Ble ti'n...
O, dim otch.
Dim ots.
Yn town hall, ti'n iwsio thing na i sgipio llefydd oed.
Ah, okay. O, dwi'n siarad gyda fe ddo? O, na, mi ddim yn gadael ni, anyway.
Na.
Okay. Okay. Sa'n gwybod pam mae hi dal yma? Just, fi di gorffen dy hi. Fi ddim yn, you know,
Castell.
castell.
Di hwn yn mynd i sens y thing yma. Iawn. Un thing da ni heb di wneud yn y castell hyn o bryd. Mae reit o fain chdi.
Mynd fyna.
Na, reit
O
o
na,
fain chdi.
agor y cabinet.
I can't just yank it open.
Roi rhywbeth yn y twll, siŵr sy'n rhaid wneud. Ond beth? Hwn? Skewer?
Use your spit, ma'n dweud.
Ready, Flux?
Na,
We've been
skewer,
waiting
yeah.
for this moment for a long time.
Dyna beth o'n i di
Let's find
gestio.
out what top secret royal
Dyfalu.
O, nes i allan o'r
away in this
spit.
cupboard.
Nes i allan o'r spit, ys yn poetry.
Mae hwnna'n
Top
random yn
secret
dywe.
royal
Ai.
stuffed kitty cat.
Hurrah!
Okay.
Whoops! Look at that.
Wel, le
That
mae
toy
di
cat just
stuffio.
fell off the shelf and landed in
Byddai'n
my
lot
pocket.
Ie,
gwaith.
so
Stealing from his
ti'n gallu
royal
creu...
Yeah, a
smuggling
thing now.
is truly
Got it.
despicable, Drew. Do it again.
Right, so...
That's cute.
A mae un thing arall nes i...
Yeah.
Mae un thing arall nes i wneud wedyn. Os ti'n promiscuous animal,
Yeah.
be... Pwy ti'n gwely, wyt
Ie.
ti'n llonydd.
Na. O, fi'n gwybod y bugs.
Perfect. A hopping,
Bugs.
beat-up stuffed cat.
Yeah.
Jumping beans.
Jumping beans,
Hello.
yeah. Okay.
Dwi'n falch dwi yn gallu just fatha
Helpu.
cordio chdi ffordd iawn.
Ie.
Yn lle just bita chdi. Cos dwi'n meddwl, bysa lot o bit o gêm ar reit frustrating.
Yeah. O'n i'n gwybod o rhaid I fi roi rhywbeth o stepping drws o holl amser nôl yna, ond bydde fe wedi cymryd fi lot o trio lot o stuff gyda pethau eraill I gyrraedd y pwynt.
Oh,
Iawn. So,
that was
tisio help
Calecnau,
yn
ie.
nôl i ddod.
bizarre,
Calecnau.
but sweet.
You realize it'll end in divorce. They just have nothing in common.
Y squirrel na mynd I chwalu ar gyn tydi ber na ynddi.
Could
Yeah,
you go
I
up
do.
there and grab
I do.
those nuts?
Sure. You never know when some extra nuts will come in handy.
Okay.
Mae'n mynd iawn yn fanna. Ta mae'r squirrel yn neud.
Mae hwnna'n wir. So, mae cnaid yn ni nawr. Sy'n
Mae'n bod dim gyda ni fan. Mae gyda ni bod dim fan.
Okay, great. Ni'n gallu symud ymlaen I
Ei fod.
dau falle.
Ie.
O, mae hwnna'n gyffroes.
Ond, mae'n teimlo fatha gyda ni lot o stwff heb di...
Wel, mae yna
Gyda
rhaid...
ni 11 items fan. Oes, o'n i weld.
Gawn ni weld. Ond paid dweud wrth fi ble I roi stwff nawr, okay? Dylwn ni
Iawn.
gallu neud hwn. A os dylai fi ddim cymryd fi gormod o amser chwaith, so... Byddai'n gweiddi arna I cyn bo hir, ond just gadael fi trio.
Let's see
Right.
where we left off
So,
last time.
Sugar and spice and all things out. Cloak and dagger. So, mae hwnna'n mynd fyna. Stars and stripes. So, hwnna mynd fyna. Heart. Heart and soul. Soul.
Ie, ysgodyn.
Whistles. Bells.
Forget your thing.
No. Oh,
I'll
damn.
just put these things back where you
Oh,
had them
right.
before.
Good. Yeah, paid dweud fi. So, bells and whistles. Polish. Fi'n mynd I skipio hwnna. Nuts and bolts. Fi'n skipio rai fi ddim yn cant a cant eto am. Bow and arrow.
Don't
No.
forget your
Oh,
thing.
fi di gwasgu'r wrong button. Dys
Now,
dim ots. Yn
Let's
rhoi
see
yn ôl.
where we left
So-
off last time.
Nuts. Good. Nuts and bolts. Nes I ddim pigo fyny'r cnau? Le mae cnau fi? O, no, mewn fyna, sorry. Bow and arrow. Sorry, fi di neud hwnna'n barod. Paid nawr. Arrow, sorry. Bow and arrow. Salt and...
Ddylia inventory just dod i'r dde fe yma. Y ffaith gymryd fewn inventory bob tro yn nuts.
fi'n gwybod. Salt and pepper. Rock and roll. Na, rock...
Ie, rock and roll.
Roll. Rock and roll. Polish. Glove. Beth yma? Gold, efe? Gold. Needles. Os mae rhywun yn dweud beth sy'n mynd yn needles. Pins and needles.
Ie.
Pins and needles, wrth gwrs. A polish. Magnet, glove, polish glove. Ink, polish. Beth yw hwnna? Watering can, polish can. Skewer polish. Plunger polish. Book, ond pa fath o llyfr yw e? Book and polish. Book. Fly.
Na.
Nid fly.
Meddwl amdano fo. Os ti yn llnau rhywbeth,
Yeah.
ti yn reid...
Shine.
Dwi'n reid... Na, dwi'n reid...
Buff.
Dwi'n reid... Dwi'n am reid... am polish ar hwn.
Oh,
Nes I cam
spit. Okay, good. Gwasgu button. Cutify test rate counterparts installed. 12. Oh yeah. Good.
Is that it? Is the cutifier finished?
Yes.
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 Yes!
Wonderful! So are you fellas ready to go to it?
Yes, sirree. We've never been so...
Go to what?
Well, goodness, go and cutify things, of course. What did you think the cutifier was for?
Flux, is this part of the bargain?
I'm not sure.
Do you think we have a choice?
I guess the alternative would be to let Wing Commander here pilot it.
No choice.
That's okay. Maybe this'll be another one of those meaningful life experiences.
I certainly prefer that to one of those meaningless death experiences.
Gentlemen, the time has come to launch the cutifier!
Bric-a-brac,
Yes?
you did remember to build another much larger exit from this hangar, didn't you?
Oh, come on.
Ah, my trusted henchman. Come in, come in. Please, indulge
I
me in
enjoy your
one
cartoon
simple
style
question.
yma though. Come on,
Anything, Your
Emrys.
Unholiness.
Oh,
You
plenty.
need only...
Where are
Oh,
the
pwynt,
fugitives
yeah.
I ordered
Yeah.
you to arrest?
Okay. Fel Flint.
Gee,
that's a
good
Well, since you look at anime,
Fool!
Yeah.
We'll find him, sire, and bring him to you. It's as good as done.
Achos
We'll
o'n i
leave
wrth
no
fy
stone
modd gyda hwn.
unturned.
And,
No,
you
right.
know,
I never thought so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Your Malevolence, I beg you, give us this one chance to prove that we can do your evil bidding, that we are still worthy.
Only needs to develop as Flint into that
That's
broken sword.
Do not
Oh yeah,
threaten me
carry
again.
broken
Or
sword.
source material of it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, Avi,
Reanimating
Avi.
your
Nah,
evil
I'm only gonna go.
wasn't easy.
Nah.
Squeezing the life.
Dyna
Ond
yw.
yn gynnus o ffrind y teulu, o gan ni y Disney Channel.
Na.
Ond dwi test i cael wsos o Disney, ond ddim yn fath.
O na, o ddim dy fi,
Fatha-
o ddim Sky dy ni. Pan o'n i'n mynd lawr tŷ mam fi at y tŷ, dyna gyd o'n i'n ar, Pokemon, ar Sky One,
Ie.
a Wrestlo. WWF. Dyna oedd bywyd fi.
Ie, fi hefyd.
Ond oedd hwnna fel real treat achos oedd... O, beth sy'n digwydd?
O, sy'n digwydd?
Mae'n ôl.
I now have the power to cutify anything.
Oh.
Anyone.
O.
Happy day, happy day.
Yes, it is. Surely is. I'm glad we were able to help Utopia, King Hugh. But I am looking forward to getting home now.
Wizard of
And I
Oz.
have every intention of sending you there, just as soon as you finish your end of the bargain.
Finish? But I have finished. The machine is up and running. Utopia is cute again.
True. True. But if I'm not mistaken, the deal was for you to cutify the world. Meaning, of course, the whole world, not just Cutopia.
Whole. Well,
Mae fe bach yn
You don't
nutty yn
mean-
diwe.
You can't make
Ie.
Zenny do.
And the Malevolence, as we agreed.
wait a minute. I agreed to that.
Why, yes. Oh, come now, Drew. Surely we share the same sweet dream. This is a golden opportunity to spread happiness throughout the world.
Dwi'n disgwyl i fod, oi.
If
Ie.
malevolation is bad for
O'n i
Utopia,
di chwarae fel
we should
blaen,
think
so
of
dy fi fam
purification
heion,
of
ond
the
achos oedd ei
Oh,
gymaint
yeah.
amser yn ôl,
My
o'n
face
i'n...
can only take about 4 minutes of smiling before it starts to hurt.
No, you're just talking silly.
O, ti heb di dweud green screen chi gwaith ar OBS.
sorry, Hugh. This just doesn't seem right. I
Ydw i
think
ddim?
we'd better leave
Nah.
Melmoth alone.
You don't seem to understand.
O ie, dwi gwir
I'm
ddim
not
quite yr un peth,
asking
ydy e?
you to do this. I'm ordering you.
O'n i'n meddwl achos mae'n jyst yn tywyll mewn fan hyn achos fi ddim di roi'r golau mawr ar,
Before
falle
you
dyna
speak,
oedd yr issue.
think about it.
A fi di defnyddio y Logitech
Almost like
am
you'll be stuck here
tro cyntaf o'r
forever.
spel achos o'n i'n methu bod yn bothered i set up fyny'r
To take that.
DSLR achos o'n i
Yes.
just fel, mae fe direct of, you know,
Of course. I knew
yeah.
you'd see it my way. Yes, of
mae
course.
digon o newidiadau wedi digwydd heddiw, so.
Ie. Ond i fod yn mor leidr.
Yes. I'm not going to help you carry out
Mor
this
ladron, ie,
ridiculous
fi'n
plan.
gwybod.
Ie. A ti eisiau yn gallu neud clic ar hwn,
I
do?
guess I'll just have to find
Ie,
another
o
way
fi'n
out.
falch, ie.
Have it your way, Drew. The world will be cutified. And you'll be stuck here forever.
Wrong. The
Oh.
world won't be cutified. Only Flux and I know how to fly the machine, and we And these are out of here.
Stop! You aren't going anywhere. I command you. Stop! You!
That's right.
Oh my god.
It's me.
Fluffy, fluffy bun bun.
Everybody's favorite bunny. A bunny with a master plan.
That is never good.
The cutification of the world is only phase 1. Even now, Bric-a-Brac is busy developing an ultimate creative device. One that will give me the power to create all the happy things I desire.
Kick a shit allan ni
I will
Fi'n
be
gwybod
Really?
mor fach, ie.
God. Oh, don't worry about the other King Hugh.
Ydy'r brenin yn
Safely
go iawn,
locked
lle?
away.
Mae yna brenin go iawn. Fi'n credu mae fe yn stuck wedi cael ei
Just like me.
tiwr yn y carchar.
And someday
Neu rhywbeth.
he too
O,
will take his right
pwy oedd ni'n siarad efo'n cychwyn?
my
Y brenin go iawn ta hi.
Trying to skedaddle.
Hi fi'n credu.
Guards! Guards! Seize these.
Wel, mae gyda hi rhyw... Mae'n trick, ddo, i gallu dynwared llaisau mor dda.
Ie.
Masquerading as Hugh.
Me? A cross-dressing, throne-seizing rabbit? Surely you can do better than that. He has the keys to the machine. Get him.
Yeah.
It's time to make our guests cute.
Hey, nothing happened. Flux.
O'n cute y cychwyn.
Goodness me, Duru. You are absolutely right.
But the fugitive and his machine are probably nowhere near the castle. As you recall, Hugh and his minions are already cutified.
Yeah, whose idea was it to come here anyway?
Not mine.
Not mine.
Well, it certainly wasn't mine.
Yes, it.
Quiet! We don't have time to argue. We must locate their hiding place.
Let's go that away.
Oh, God.
Come on, Flux. Snap out of it. There's a one big chance to get out of here.
Golly, Drew, I am perfectly happy right here. Thanks. You go on ahead.
This one must take more power. Guards!
Yes, your cuteness.
I'm the leader, and I say we go that way.
Oh, hello there. Say, don't I know you?
It's him. Get him.
My plan worked.
Hooray!
You've caused enough trouble, fugitive. We're taking you straight to Nefarious.
Okay.
He can't have gotten far. Alert the others. Find him.
Okay, so mewn ffordd, y ffaith bod Nefarious wedi cymryd ni, mae hwnna'n peth da i ni, achos ni mas y ffordd o fluffy bun bun.
You can fly that machine, can't you?
Why, sure I
Sorry.
can.
Then do it! Cutify! Oh, I don't know. Everything!
Of course, kind sir. Bye-bye.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I wake you?
It's you. I should have guessed. Nefarious Simons.
That's Count Nefarious to you, little man. Master of the Malevolence, bane of Cutopia, and soon supreme ruler of the world. So please,
Gildio ta coen gwyn.
respect.
Be ti'n meddwl?
Gwyn hampa.
Mae fe'n...
Why?
Os na ci gyda gwynaf fo.
Course.
Ie,
I trust you find
ie,
the
mae'n achos mae'n
accommodations
fel
to your liking.
gwefus.
I
So,
do try so
fel
very
gwefus
hard
gwyn.
to furnish my guests with all the creature discomforts they deserve.
Dwi'n credu.
I have a reputation.
Wel, mae yna fel...
Christopher Lloyd efo just gun.
Want?
Efo yma.
From
So
you,
ni'n gallu sortio hwn really fast.
you've done quite enough already, Drew Blank. But tell me,
Well, we have lots
did
of
you
stuff.
honestly
Ie,
believe
bydd ddim
that
stori
you,
wedyn o gwbl.
you fetid sack of
Um.
pus, could just waltz into my world, casually thwart my plans for global domination, and then just ride off into the sunset?
Mae very British actor
No,
fo,
thanks.
fo man, dyma mynd efo rest o'r
Lovely.
vibe y gem na.
Na,
It
ond
contains a little
mae
cocktail of
Americanwyr
my
yn
own
neud
invention.
hwnna lot.
I
Maen
suppose
nhw'n
in
neud
layman's
y
terms,
pobl
it
drwg
could
i
be
fod yn
described as a
Brydeinig.
mutagen.
Ne, ddim Brydeinig, Saeson,
I
really.
won't tax your
Yeah.
simple brain with the details. Suffice it to say that once the serum has
Mae fe'n
worked its
diddorol
way
achos-
through your
Sy'n
body,
Ma'
neud
me-
it will
sens.
transform
Ond
the
y
Drew
ffynnu, y
Blank
peth
we all
doniol yw,
know
mae
and
Mexicanwyr yn neud
into
yr
a
un peth
tube,
ynglyn â'r Colombians,
everybody else.
a mae'r Colombians
Yeah.
yn neud yr un peth gyda'r
Oh,
Mexicanwyr.
yeah.
and a prisoner in my
Os ti'n mynd
world
mas yna, a chi'n
forever.
gweld pwy
You're not
yn
gonna
nhw'n
shoot me
dweud
for
yw'r
that
pobl
stuff.
da, pobl drwg. Maen nhw'n
Bravo.
neud yn groes yn
For
dibynnu
once,
pa
you're
gwlad ti'n
absolutely
mynd i.
right.
So,
I'm not
yeah, I'm
going
funny.
to.
Dwi yn dall yn Prydeinig achos British Empire ydy'r empire mwyaf sy'n
Ydi.
wedi bodoli.
Ydi.
A yr amount o natives oedd nhw just lladd
Yeah.
Find it all
yn sef. So,
Brendan.
Oh, yes.
so
I
mae lot o
know.
Saeson. Mae'n erthigol o BBC Wales yn dweud pam di Cymru ddim yn supportio Lloegr yma.
Ie, wel ydi hwnna.
Blanc.
Ie.
Oedd yn eitha bach yn eitha...
Even if you manage to
Efo
worm
ffe-
your way out of that reinforced cell,
Ie,
the
yn
castle
union.
is
Wel,
simply
mae lot o...
crawling with ferocious guards.
Mae'r boi
I'm sure you
Dai
just
Lama thing,
die
oedd wedi
if
dweud
you
o
Yeah.
reswm pam, a wedyn chi'n clicio arno fe, a mae fe'n
As for
dweud
possible exit points
Forza
from the
Italia
castle,
neu rhywbeth, so oedd e
well,
just
Yeah.
I
like
guarantee
trick
you'd
on-
find the
Yeah.
plummet to the surrounding
Mae
waters
Saeson dda,
below.
Fatha, oedd
Nothing
rhywun...
short of breath.
Rhywun gwybod siarad ydy.
So, unless
you
I
actively
overlook
support
some small
against the English
detail,
teams?
such
Yes.
as a pair
Yeah.
of
Why? Why would you do that? Cos da chi'n fucking evil! Chi oedd y pobl drwg.
Yeah.
Cyn i Hitler dod... Oedd Hitler gorau bod yn mor ddrwg i pobl neu chi ddim yn ddrwg.
I destroy the cutifier.
Dwi'n meddwl.
Just
Yeah.
tell me where it is.
Just
and I'll
let it
leave
go,
you to
yeah.
your
Ie,
imprisoned
approach fi efo ail efo byd
Tell
oedd...
you where to find
Fatha,
the
o
machine.
Churchill yn boi drwg hefyd, de.
Yeah.
So na
Yeah.
boi
Is
drwg
it?
ni ennill boi drwg nhw.
Then perhaps you'll tell.
So, just studio hanes India a Pakistan.
Now!
Neu, South Africa. Dwi'n nhw'n lygo Churchill, de.
Na.
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue? Oh, I'm good.
Ti'n beth?
Now, think,
Mae'r
Mr. Blank.
golwg yna, mae yna thing
Cutify.
mawr o'r enw furries yn does
Is
e,
it?
Emrys?
Oes.
A
When the machine
mae'r...
left
Na,
the Hughes
dw-
Castle,
na,
it
dw-
was
dwi
fine
ddim.
due
Na,
west.
fi ddim
I
chwaith,
guess
ond
they're
ti'n gwybod
heading to Utopia by now,
golwg
and heading
yna,
directly for us.
o'r cath
Yeah.
yna, dyna'r kind of a style yn dyw e.
Infernal contraption.
Ie.
My friend flocks wildly.
How convenient. I can destroy the machine and the meddling Zanian, all in one fell swoop. An auspicious start to our partnership, Mr. Blanc. Welcome to the team.
Thank you, master. I will serve you well. Until I escape.
Impudent fool! Misfortune. Quickly, gaze into the future. I must know. Can this wretched creature escape my castle?
I see Drew Blank remaining your captive forever.
Yes.
Unless
Unless what?
he will remain your captive unless a lifeless knight walks, a dead bird rises aflame, and I myself obey his commands.
Impossible! These absurd things could never come to pass.
Of course, my liege.
Yes, of course. Nevertheless, I will take further precautions. Make no mistake. I will personally blow your friend out of the sky. And as for you,
sleepyhead.
Your life will be an unspeakable atrocity.
Dyna pam mae fe fel casting perffaith ar gyfer y rôl yma.
Sweet dreams.
Iawn. Rwy'n beth o pethau chdi. Crystals da ni'n poeni amdan.
Okay.
Da ni eisiau 4 crystal.
Right.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Well.
Mi'n rhoi'r golau ar y munud.
Yeah. My name's Snout. I'll be your merciless dungeon guard for the duration of your stay, which is, eternity. So, is that longer or shorter than life?
Longer?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Let me see what else does it say here. We can escape risk. Well, that's just stupid, you know. Of course it'd be risky for you to try and escape. I don't know who wrote this. In fact, the first risk you'd have to take is getting this out of here. You know, because... So have a nice, what is it?
On a total unrelated note, is di weld yr update i'r GBA core ar y Mister?
Na.
Ti'n cael gweld 2 players am.
Oh, wow.
So ar y sgrin, mae'n splitio 2.
No
way. A mae'n un top yn un control llall, a mae'n link cable rhwng nhw.
Oh, mae'n
So di either just chwarae 2 gêm
ar
un pryd, neu fi di cael link cable a chwarae.
Oh, mae'n cool. Right, so bit.
Hey, step away from the mat, or I'll be sorry you did.
Okay. So mae'n gadael chdi neud hynna?
Na.
Cofio hynna? So.
Call me crazy, but I bet this lock is opened with a key. And the key
dwi angen dweud
is
rhywbeth
inside that ogre.
I fe I wendio fe fan
This
un
is not
dweud.
good.
Yeah, talk to Snout and
Excuse
you will
me?
turn around and face the way.
Yeah.
Yes? Looking for mercy from old Snout, are we?
Swn i efo Twyn Mo,
I think there's
swn i'n
been
siŵr
some
gael hyn
kind
yn
of
Snout.
miss.
Na. Ond falle mae rhywun wedi galw fe hwnna yn bod yn
Bless-
offensive. Mae fe jyst wedi sticio dy fe. Hwnna'n gallu digwydd yn dweud.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bless you.
oh yeah? What's that supposed to mean? One more wisecrack out of you and I'll do a thing to you. And you won't like it. 'Cause we ogres got our ways.
So, who's that weird cat?
You met Miss Fortune? Boy, you really must have ticked off Nefarious.
Oh.
He doesn't call it the spooky
So chdi yn
unless it's really
funny animal, de? Ie, ti'n gael rhywbeth fel hyn, de? Pa funny animal fysa chdi?
Nah, she has a room right here in the castle. Only
Moose?
Nefarious and his 3 head
Moose?
henchmen are allowed inside.
You mean a guy as important as you
Mae
can
mwys yn
get
gallu
in?
bod yn
Yeah.
funny.
Oh, I wouldn't even
Na,
if I could.
funny animals, ti'n galw
Nothing but weird
anamorphic
stuff goes on in
animals. Yn eich ten.
Oh, right.
Mae Mickey
Oh,
Mouse.
rhino.
Which can
Rhino.
scramble your brain like
Chdi'n rhino?
an egg.
O na, ddim fi. O'n i'n meddwl
Ie,
y
be
cymeriad
fysa
sy'n
chdi?
siarad. Oh, right.
Pa anamorphic animals ych ti?
Blythe.
What's with all the sneezing? You have hay fever?
No, no fever.
Lle?
Just allergies.
O'n i'n meddwl o'ch ti'n gael dy hyd y mwys.
Damn body stone. Rusty chains.
Blythe.
Rat droppings.
I don't know.
Blaid,
ti'n
mae pob
dweud?
sydd yn blaid.
That's the
Ie,
Be
ti'n
ti'n
cael
dweud?
ywys blaid.
Spend your
Okay,
days
be
in
by
a
ti'n
damp,
galw dy hun then?
rat-filled, dusty dungeon?
Yeah.
Fi?
Yeah.
So
Swn i rhyw
what's
fath
your
o...
point?
Dwi'n...
Say, mind if I use the bathroom?
Bathroom?
Dwi'n sgwydda reit trol a dwi'n del. So mae... Tha, rhywbeth fatha...
Trick me, aren't ya?
Well, don't
Ah.
get any
Ik ook
fire
animals.
gas.
Animals.
Escape it, and I'll
All animals.
I'll take something big, and I'll
Clywch chi fatha
I'll swing it
alpaca?
around, and then
Diolch,
what
Emrys.
was I talking about again?
Me?
Alpacas are cool.
As
Dim
in-
mae alpacas yn well na llamas.
Okay.
Don't, or
Ie, maen nhw'n... Ie.
or else.
Maen nhw'n gallu
alpaca.
mynd yn fluffy
Cos-
iawn, alpaca. No.
O, a dwi'n sbio na chdi'r stream wan, mae'n gallu gwyneb breit hir,
Yeah.
a mae'n gallu uffar lot o wallt at y ben.
There we go, yeah. Alpaca, digon teg.
Oh, no.
Mae alpaca yn
Trying to trick me
iawn
again,
fi.
aren't ya? What
Yeah.
do you take me for,
Badger? It's a badger i fi.
idiot?
Yeah,
Do you take me for
yeah.
an
I
idiot?
suppose mae...
No, no, no.
Mae...
Just a moron.
I llygaid...
Say.
Ie.
Ie, fi'n
But
gallu
don't be
gweld
thinking butter it
hwnna.
up.
Mae funny animal
Ysgrifau.
badger efo specs, yndi?
We
Yeah.
ogres have a
A mae dydi specs, ie.
As yet to
Badger
be
yn
Yeah.
da.
A mae'n reit
So,
fatha
are you
chubby, yndi?
Ie.
the far is close?
Yep. The
False
fairies
killer
have
whale.
praised
What's that
me
thing?
many, many times on my... Oh, how did he say it?
Dwi'n teimlo ti wedi cymryd alpaca yn dda iawn.
Like
Na, fi wedi, mae hwnna'n ffain. Ond
incompetence.
oedd e'n ffynnu achos o graig fi'n dangos fi llun really funny
Yeah.
lle oedd doi alpaca, un yn brown a un fel blew gwyn, neu gwallt
Yeah.
gwyn, a
So there you
o'n
go.
nhw'n
High
more
praise
kind of
indeed,
tamed a...
Without a doubt.
Ie, oedd e just yn
Deserved.
ffynnu gweld nhw, a just image fi o'r
What's
doi
more,
yna. A ni just fel,
Real good
okay.
at keeping his secrets.
Fi byth wedi meddwl
really?
am
Like,
hwnna, dyna i gyd.
What secret?
Fi ddim yn gweld e fel offence.
Well,
Ar diwedd y
you know,
dydd, mae fe'n...
like how the fairies is worried about
hypothetical.
you taking his lovely thingy. Seeing as how it's your
Yeah,
only hope of
badger,
escaping
really, well.
the
Hmm.
Dwi'n be arall
castle,
ystod.
yeah. And so I just...
Dwi'n licio sbio'r wefan animals E to Z o yma.
One,
Ie.
one snouts on the job. And see
Dwi'n meddwl dewis math y gi, mae math y gi yn cop-out, dwi'n meddwl. Wedi-
does it, yeah. He then
O, mae
has
gymaint o breeds o se.
It's clear
Yeah.
it is this steal your machine.
O, mae'r boi yma'n really
never
diflas i
find out,
siarad a.
thanks
Fi
to-
wedi
to-
switcho
Yndi.
off. Ni'n siarad am anifeiliad achos mae fe mor boring.
Be smart.
Ti'n rhoi disgwyl troi rownd?
Of rotting to be getting along with?
Ie, fi'n trio.
Hey, mister. From now on, it'll be me that tells you when it's time to see ya. Ha!
Of course. See ya.
Oh. Good.
Hey,
Beth?
I told
O,
you
pan mae'n cymryd
already.
anadl.
Keep your
Oh.
heads off
Okay,
the
okay.
mat.
Dwi'n cael email gan TripAdvisor. Are you applying a trip to Carnarvon? Dwi'n Carnarvon, mate.
Yeah.
Of course. A crystal.
Yes.
Great.
Crystals. Ti'n colio fewn y
Call
healing
me
properties
crazy,
of
but I bet
crystal?
this lock is opened with
Sorry?
a key.
Wyt ti'n coelio yn y healing properties of
O
crystals?
na, dwi ddim.
Call me crazy, but I bet this
Okay,
lock is opened
at the next
with
opportunity,
a
pick
key.
up the mat
Okay.
and use it on yourself to take out snouts.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, what the...
Okay.
Hey!
Hey.
Boy.
Hey, I sure dusted that guy.
Right. Come on, mate.
Looks like isn't all it's cracked up to be.
Right,
I better
Carl
grab my
Stuffy.
stuff.
Yep.
That's it.
Great. Teimlo mae angen cael...
Hi there, little fella.
Ie, ti'n siarad efo dim o hwnna.
Huh?
Every book should be pulled out once, and only once.
Rhyw fath o puzzle fan hyn.
Pulling Red Book 1.
Ie, pa'n ffonio, mae gen i fi ateb i puzzle.
Oh, good, 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 good.
Hello?
Blue Book should be pulled out in numerical order. Blue Book
2 should be pulled out after 2 red books have been pulled.
Crazy bird. Want a cracker?
Red book 3 should be pulled immediately
O fi'n falch
after red book
ti'n mynd i
1.
just dweud wrthi achos...
Half of the blue book pulls
Bydden ni yn ysgrifennu hwn lawr ar darn o bapur, ond I bai am hynny.
Of course. What was that you were saying?
Dwi'n licio puzzle. Dwi'n mynd i banch ti ar puzzle games.
Ie, dwi'n hoffi nhw. Dwi'n hoffi nhw. A
Be,
fi...
so I trio The Witness.
Ie, a thing golau. Fi ddim yn meindio nhw.
Na. Just yr un efo grids.
Books?
Every book should be pulled out once and only once.
Mae'n well da fi stori a pethau point and click lle chi'n pigo stuff a defnyddio stuff gyda stuff eraill.
O, ie, na.
Ond...
Na, di Witness byd o.
Na, achos fi'n credu fi'n mynd bach yn rwystredig a fi'n hoffi fel yr elfen yma a'r stori a rhywun yn siarad I ti. Mae'n torri fyny'r puzzles yna, so... Okay, ni wedi siarad o fe digon nawr, so fi'n neud symud ymlaen fi'n credu.
Half of the blue book pulls are immediately followed by a red book pull.
Of course.
Ne. Yn gallu pigo rhywbeth? Na. Oh.
Calendar. Click on the calendar.
Oh, creepy.
Wanna come in? I love visitors! But first
Alright, cool.
gotta play my happy door game! Have fun!
Oh.
No need to get your nose out of joint.
Chivato.
I have a bad feeling
Look
about
at
this.
keep clicking on the highlighted part in order...
Oh, the highlighted part. Fi ddim yn gallu gweld highlighted part, wyt ti?
No.
O, fi'n gweld e, puzzly. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Clust. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Clust. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Clust llygaid. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Clust llygaid. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Clust llygaid. Tafod. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Clust llygaid. Clust. Sorry.
The calendar, keep clicking at the part in order. The longest sequence is 11.
Beth sy ar ôl hwn?
Close there. Close there.
Hwna?
Look it there. Yeah, hwnna.
Wedyn trwy'n?
Na, llygad. Yr un llygad. Yeah.
Tafod. Okay. Dweud wrthi. Trwy'n?
Trwy'n.
Yeah.
Llygad.
Trwy'n clust llygaid oedd e. Sorry. Right. Trwy'n. Trwy'n clust. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Trwy'n clust llygaid. Clist. Trwyn, clist, llygad, clist, llygad. Trwyn, clist, llygad, clist, llygad. Trwyn, clist, llygad, clist, llygad, tafod. Trwyn, clist, llygad, clist. Be sy ar ôl nawr? Llygad.
Tafod. Tafod.
Tafod. Trwyn, clist, llygad, clist, llygad, tafod. Llygad. Trwyn, clist, llygad,
Clist.
clist,
Llygad.
llygad.
Tafod.
Neu oedd fe'n clist arall? Na, tafod.
Na, tafod. Tafod llygad.
Llygad. Ooh.
No.
Trwyn,
Clist.
clist,
Llygad.
llygad,
Clist. Llygad.
llygad, tafod.
Tafod. Llygad.
Y llygad yma neu llygad yna?
Na. Yr un greiddiol. Greiddiol.
Okay.
Hwna.
Ie.
Ie. A nesa. A llygad arall. Iawn. Trwyn. Clist.
Llygad.
Llygad.
Clist.
Clist. Llygad.
Llygad.
Tafod.
Tafod.
Llygad.
Llygad fan hyn.
Ie. Nesa. Llygad arall. Clist arall.
Fyna.
Ie.
Oh, thank God. Oh, mae'n un arall! Oh, clist arall, okay.
Ie.
So, trwyn.
Trwyn. Clist. Llygad.
Llygad.
Clist. Llygad.
Llygad.
Tafod.
Tafod.
Llygad. Llygad arall. Clist arall.
Hwna.
Ie. Clist greiddiol.
Oh my God. Oh, a
Hwn yw'r
trwyn.
ola o'n. Ie, so hwn yw'r ola.
Okay. So, trwyn.
Ie.
Trwyn. Clist.
Clist.
Llygad. Clist.
Clist.
Llygad.
Llygad. Ie.
Tafod. Llygad.
Ie. Llygad arall.
Clist arall.
Clist arall. Clist greiddiol.
A trwyn.
Ie.
Oh my God.
Like my mother always used to say,
Oh.
I'm an expert at pulling faces.
Oh, wow. Oh.
No.
Pudding is only for good little boys.
Mae hwnna'n creepy.
Ynddi. Just siarad o, just siarad.
Hello?
You've come for my gherkin, haven't you? You like it, huh? You like it, don't you? Everyone does. Well, you can't have it, so back off, Chuckles!
Whoa. Nice place you have here,
Okay.
Mr.
Spike!
Just me and Moss, yeah?
the clown!
Yeah.
Feed the cat, damn it!
Okay.
What's your name?
Drew.
Drew. How nice. Lung sandwich!
Thanks.
Christopher Lloyd ddim yn edrych fatha drw.
That's all for now. Bye.
Don't forget to wipe! Look at me, I'm a train!
Dwi'n meddwl gyda efo hwn, dyn yma.
Oh, nice. Fi wedi cael trwynau.
Iddo.
Returneth to me that which you have taken, infidel! Aruga! Aruga!
Oh, God. Oni bai fi'n gallu swapio fe gyda rhywbeth arall cyn I fe gwybod. Na, dys na ddim byd.
Na.
Okay. Dys na ddim mas.
Iawn. Wy'n gyda
Beth am y fish tank na?
Ie. Hwn o'ch fish ar Little Mermaid.
Ydy?
Sy'n ffordd yn gwybod hynna? Dwi'n rhaid I bod y ffilm. Dwi'n rhaid I bod y ffilm yna.
Seems to be the keeper of that.
So, fe'n mynd grisiau nes mynd nesaf,
Neu doorway. O, fyny grisiau. Okay.
Ie.
Neu lawr y grisiau.
Good.
Uh-oh. Oh, dyma'r puzzle gyda'r llyfrau.
There's something weird about some of those books. Maybe it's worth a closer look.
Emrys. Rwy fi mas o'r misery.
What? Gwylod chwith. So, na i neud lliw a pan ymbyr, iawn?
Ia.
Un glas. 3 coch. Na. Un coch. Un coch. 3 coch. 2 glas. 3 glas. 4 coch. 2 coch. Yeah.
I did it! I guess
Yay!
Da iawn, Emrys.
Hey!
Oh.
Oh, great. A guard. I better be careful while I'm down here.
So, fel arfer, de, sydd fysa chi'n rhoi hitspan yn beth am?
Okay.
A ti ddim eisiau lladd y gad.
Ie.
Be fysa chdi'n neud iddo fo?
Sbwrw fe dros y pen?
Na. Okay. Bad example.
O, roi yn y twll na?
Na,
O, just...
Na.
Okay, beth sydd...
Mae'n efo lot o coffi yndi.
Ydy?
So, os ti'n efo lot o coffi, beth ti'n neud fel arfer?
O, ti si just... so mae'n hyper gyda lot o coffi, so ti'n rhoi rhywbeth...
Na. Ia, ond os ti'n efo lot o coffi yn bora, pam? Pam ti'n efo lot o coffi yn bora?
Deffro ti, dy hun o ti caffi.
Deffro chdi. So, mi oedd i blino do. So, os eisiau ni gysgu, de, be felly di chwarae?
Oh, lullaby. Yes.
Say goodnight, fish breath.
Coffi hwnna. Great.
No, just check the monitor.
I'm sure Sleepy won't mind if I turn this around. Let's see what's on. The Malevolator. If I can steal it, maybe I can save Flux.
Flux and the Cutifier. Repeat, I have tracked down Flux and the Cutifier. The fool has flown into the canyons that lie beyond the twisted forest and is now completely lost. It's only a matter of time.
Oh my God.
The next time I radio in, Flux Wildly and his meddling machine will be history.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n gyda voice actor famous.
Ie, mae'n swnio fel... Y llais fi di clywed o'r blaen. Pendant. Oce.
Iawn, gad ar rhif 4. Just trystio fi.
Oce.
Iawn, back and forth. Mae'n specific yn dweud chdi hynna.
Rhaid fi'n mynd nawr.
Iawn, so... Na.
Ti'n mynd nôl?
No, iawn. So beth ar y to?
Looks like something is bolted
Bolted.
from the room above.
So, os ti ddim efo screwdriver neu stwff i tynnu bolt, beth sy'n gallu iwsio'n lle? Ie.
A ni gyda hwnna.
Sounds like this is my night.
Okay. Oh, cool. O, fi'n hoffi hwn. Looks like this is my night. Oh gosh.
Yay! Iawn.
Mae bant yn ni. Sim byd fyny ni pigo fyny, so na mi'n mynd syth fyny.
Oh, great. It's the Fires' Three Stooges.
Cofio, mae un yn nhw ddim yn gallu clywed, un yn ddim yn gallu gweld, a llall ddim yn gallu...
Go back upstairs and return to the window door. Playing pool. Nah, dwi'n lle hang o'na.
The lid is nailed down. I can't just rip it open with my bare hands.
Go back upstairs. Okay, just saw. No, allan, fyna. Just allan.
Second floor
Yeah,
landing.
second floor.
Yeah. Lan fyny.
Dwi'n gysio ta.
Oh, great. I guess I won't be going up there.
Huh. Okay, the bit of clear right. Now it's in the room above through the monitor. Quick. Oh yeah, okay. Quick at the floor is tiles. Tonight over the bars on the right.
It won't budge.
Okay, there's a door, doesn't
It
it?
seems to be locked from within.
No, we don't need.
Oh, crystal arall.
Aha.
Oh, I just don't know.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Look through the window now to see some more guards playing pool. So, secure drws yna. Drws ar y chwith.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Return downstairs
Looks
twice
like
to go
there's a
back to the
gator
dungeon.
party in progress, and I'm not invited.
Okay.
Out.
Nôl fan hyn?
Yeah. So, yeah.
Hallway?
Yeah.
O ie, ni ddim di bod y ffordd. Climatron? O, falle ni gallu rhoi y crystal mewn fan hyn?
It won't
Yeah.
O na.
Climb inside.
It won't fit.
Nah.
Okay.
Ti angen reid. So, mae ydi am ffilms poblogaidd.
Yeah.
Yeah. Na, does not allan. Chyn allan.
Well, Back to the Future.
Na, yeah. Mae ydi am ffilms
It's a climate
horror, science fiction horror poblogaidd.
Yeah.
Dos fewn i box, dos fewn i the bag, gwan.
Yeah. Crystals.
So,
Oh, fly.
Mae ydi... Yeah. Mae eisiau yn y climatron.
Yeah.
Ie, mae'n. Dwi'n eisiau clic ar y climatron as control. Ti'n fewn o fe. No, diolch. Click on the left and then open up the door halfway.
Here would only bug me.
What? Climb inside and use a fire costume on yourself.
O, dyna pa, o'n i fod neidio fanna. Hwna lle. Okay. So, achos mae'r pre-cup.
Flyman! Able to climb tall air vents and 1,000 tiny fly steps!
Oh, cool.
I wonder if the big guy sings while he's in here.
Wel, gwmpas efo'r sink.
The bathroom sink. The bathroom sink.
So what's the pen sink?
You know what they say about other people's medicine cabinets.
O, chloroform. Neu rhywbeth,
Iawn.
So nawr ni'n gallu cael y guards, ond fi jyst eisiau edrych beth y plug.
The bathroom sink.
O, na. Ie, beth ydy chwan... Ie, na fa.
Whoops.
Na fa. A eto. Nid eto? Na,
Dwi'n gael fi wneud eto.
The bathroom sink. The bathroom sink.
O, so, gen i dŵr yna ond oes. Be allwn ni iwsio efo'r dŵr?
Can.
I don't want to slip. I'd better be careful. Why not?
Dŵr nawr, mae dyn ni dŵr.
I don't want to slip. I'd better be careful.
O, ni gallu redig I ffwrdd a nhw gallu slipio ar y dŵr.
Red alert! Red alert!
Ie.
It's on the perimeter!
Just a shower.
Good. A fi nhw'n mynd mas o'r ffenest os mae cartoons yn unrhyw beth I sy'n redig.
Ie.
O na.
O.
Beth os fi'n neud rhywbeth sy'n llithrig?
Okay, back down the vents.
Flyman, able to do whatever a fly can, except fly, or lay eggs, or vomit acid on his food and stuff.
Iawn.
Time for some debugging.
Ti'n cofio nes i'n tynnu dwy'n bach yn rhywun? A nath o ddeitha chdi stopio dwy'n o?
Touch bugs?
No
way!
Yeah. Yeah, oh, clone. Yeah, okay, so clone nesa. I got you. I'm on it. Let me mas i'r clone. Oh, roi chloroform! Roi chloroform ar y trwyna a bydd e'n knock fe mas. Yeah. Okay.
Quickly pick it up and use the chloroform wipes on it.
Yeah, got it.
Chaill ti pigo fe fyny.
What a sweet little dressing table.
Yeah, just aros I fe neud e ddo. Okay. Mae fe'n time-based yn do it, fel...
Pudding is only for good little boys!
Mae hwnna'n neud I fe teimlo fod e'n addicted I morphine.
Yeah.
Ydy e? So mae'n galw fe'n pudding. Right, mae'n mynd I neud rhywbeth gyda'i trwy'n gyfo hir.
It's every good psychotic clown's responsibility to keep himself looking nice.
Okay. Fi jyst eisiau fe I neud... Falle bydd rhaid fi siarad efo am chydig.
More pepper, boy! It needs more pepper!
Sorry, Master.
So, why are you here?
Special room for special jesters!
Hoopla, hoopla, my beauties!
Nefarious has a jester?
Court jester, funny! Balloon?
Balloon?
Balloon!
Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
Mae sy'n o'n pwysicach at y fel o'n.
Okay.
So cofio be mae'n sgynno fo fan'na.
Okay. Fluffy Bamban.
Na, y pin.
A pin, okay, a pin. Oh, wow. Mae'n proper psychotic yn do it.
Why, that's a large pin you have there, Spike.
Spike!
Yes. Could I borrow it for a little while?
Eyeball jelly for
Mae
supper!
bits nesa'n dipyn yn really fatha...
Never mind.
Dim yn disgwyl i chdi... Ti'n mynd sa'ch chi'n go allan.
No, go on. No, cheer fi.
So...
Would you mind doing it again?
Na, mae bits yma'n... Ti'n mynd iawn. Mae bits wedyn fatha...
Okay.
Oh,
skip.
Hey, that's a big old tank of helium you got there, Spike. Buddy, could I borrow a smidgenet, perhaps?
Smidgenet.
Squirrel attack! You're in league with the squirrels!
Get back! Get back, I say! No. I'm on your side. I work for the Resistance. Yes, I hate the squirrels. I'm a double agent. Down with the squirrels! The Resistance shall overcome!
Mommy! There's a crazy man talking about squirrels and resistors! Make him go away!
Oh my god.
Yeah. And
you have
Joker-esque and do it.
Sense of humor.
Yeah.
Like, how did you
I'm a fan of Joker.
Nah.
Special treatments! The secrets in the sauce!
Treatments?
Special rooms, special treatments! Treatments keep jesters funny!
Hoist the giblets, you swab!
Misfortune, nice kitty! Sticks hot wires in the noodle!
Don't throw that lever.
Nick.
Egg salad!
Oh my god.
Spike's ready to play!
She frazzles your brain for Nefarious' amusement?
That's entertainment! Funny! Balloon!
Proud jerk Pennywise. Carlicious the delicious and Tweed. Yeah.
Balloon!
God.
Ta-ra!
Mae'n ymuno me.
Dadlo o Pennywise bach yn jerk.
Single brush strokes either up or down, never together.
Oh yeah, yn lladd o holl bobl na. So fe'n peth neis i ni.
Dip in the dip.
I believe the spatula is mine.
Clatu, barada, nictu.
Oh, gall rhain mynd ymlaen am ages. Falle na I just mynd banzai nawr.
Mr. Tambourine Man. Mr. Tambourine Man. Mr. Tambourine Man!
Whoa. Okay, sorry. Fi ddim gyda amser am hwnna.
Gotta get going. I have an appointment with reality.
Fi eisiau just pigo fyny'r train.
The borscht is ruined!
Here we go. Mae bound o roi train fe nawr, come on.
What a sweet little dressing table.
Trigo o tydwytha.
Fi ddim yn cofio. Fi'n cerdded...
Whoa, okay. Sydyn, chloroform.
It's the merciful thing to do.
Yeah.
That psychotic clown's nose with special sauce.
Angen dal, ti angen cael o'n on.
Fi'n gwybod. I'm in nawr.
Sleep tight.
Oh, mae'n neud i fi o'n good.
Pinwheeling
freak.
Good.
Mr. Nose! Nosy!
Hwyl fawr Pennywise. Neu Aldi Pennywise.
So ni'n brenin y byd, so ni'n banio.
Clones.
Yeah.
Here we go. So mae rhaid I fi cael y pin yna. Beth yn y byd?
Oh my god.
Beth? hwnna'n proper creepy. A pam oedd wedi troi'n cartoon? Ble mae'r synnwyr yn hwnna? Neu croeso bydde fi Carlicious to Delicious. Gobeithio ti'n joio actio gwych Christopher Lloyd. Ni wedi amoriau.
What just happened to me? Well, as long as it wasn't me turning into a toon.
Iawn, beth ti'n neud efo balloon os mae yna helium machine yn y stafell?
Chlethu fo fyny.
Ie, be arall ti wedi chlethu fyny hefyd? Beth sy'n fatha balloon, beth ti'n meddwl dyna fo? Yn inventory chdi. Iawn, hwnna gynta.
Balloon?
Right with Chris, yeah. Yeah, legend.
Ie, dwi'n hwnna'n bag chdi.
Oh, right in a bag me.
Ie, dwi'n hwnna'n i bag. So be arall ti wedi chlethu fyny fan ma'r?
Oh, menig?
Ie. Na fo, oce. Rhaid fi fod llai subtle yn y camau nesaf yma, cos mae o yn... Dwi'n mynd sense, really.
Okay.
Dwi'n mynd nôl i'r climaton.
Ie. Credu mewn ffordd.
So, be nes ti... So, ddwch ben climaton, be nes ti na?
O, beth yw hwn? O, gwell pilot turkeys. Ydyn nhw'n cael nhw?
That rusty pile of junk won't let me.
O'n i'n ots o fo wedyn.
Oce. Ni ddim yn barod am fe.
Na.
Oce.
So ti eisiau mynd...
Fyny.
Fyny eisiau ddo? Na, dungeon.
Oedd e?
Ie, fyny hallway yn dungeon.
Oh, right.
Iawn.
Oh, yeah.
Dwi'n mynd i trefnu hwn... Dwi'n tra... Styr eich di'r ffordd iawn o'n.
Oce.
Heb deitha chdi. Iawn. Nathon ni fyny... Oce, stop am yd, iawn. Nathon ni fyny hwn do. Be nathon ni fyny'n grisiau?
So, oedd yn ni'n trio twyllo'r gard I cwmpo dros neu rhywbeth.
So, be nathon ni?
Eithon ni fyny a... yn y
Be nathon ni
cawod.
ystafell?
O, neud yn oer. O, fi'n gwybod. So ni'n neud hwnna mewn I ice rink, so mae'n slipo. Dyna fe.
Ie.
I got it. Paid dweud wrthi mwy. Mae'n amlwg na. So, ni eisiau fe llithro. Ond, y pwynt yw, o'n ni wedi dweud hynny cyn, o'n ni. So, o ran ni eisiau fe llithro mas o'r stafell a trwy'r ffenest. So, nawr, chi'n mynd fyny. Bydd rhaid ni roi'r suit ymlaen to, dwi'n tybio.
Wonder what the wind chill factor is in here.
Mae'n rwystredig bod ddim cof gyda'r gêm bod chi'n gwybod y beth yma. Na.
Here I go again.
Gwych. So nawr, wrth fe dod, bydd e'n...
Looks like I've turned the bathroom into a big ice rink.
Good.
If I don't want to slip, I'd better be careful. This should be fun.
This should be fun. Right, yn y cawod yn gyflym.
Ie. O, hyn yn y dau gad gynna, ti'n cofio?
Ie. A mae'n redig mas y ffordd. Lovely. Ffrindau mynd I bwrw fe mewn ydi, ie, bownd o ddigwydd. So maen nhw'n idiot. Ie. Classic.
Ys ti'n nid gymaint ice yn gynna, oedd o?
Brilliant.
I knew they'd fall for that one.
Great, so nawr ni'n gallu mynd heibio nhw.
Ie. Dys i'n lawr grisiau hwn.
Lawr o gris, ie?
Ie, second fall on di.
Great. O na, oedd na stafell fan'na ddo, lan fan hyn.
O, na, lawr, tos di. So, fama wan. Sbio ar y ddau statue na.
Ie.
Been there.
Sbio di ar y statue dde, beth ar pen fo? Canol pen.
Oh, okay. So os...
Na.
I don't think that will...
Tull.
Be sy'n na? Ia, be sy'r llall? Be sy'r sculpture arall?
Point.
Won't budge.
Ia,
Seems to be
so...
locked from within.
Trio pethau roi fyna.
Na. Does at y llall dan.
Hôn, okay. Oh. Oh, hwnna'n diddorol. Na, fi'n gallu cymryd yr un yma. Oh.
Na. Gada fel oedd o. Llall, de?
Yeah.
It won't budge.
Oh.
It seems to be locked from
Okay,
within.
gada fel oedd.
Sut ydw i'n mynd draw fyna heb fynd?
Fyny gysio. Rhaid fi bod llais sotl fan yma, cos fydd yna amhosib fel arall. Ti eisiau mynd nôl lawr y vent, wan. So, i'ch mynd nôl i'r drws yna.
O, a dod o fe o'r ochr arall.
Ia, ti eisiau newid rhywbeth hefyd.
Okay.
So, os di hwn yn oer, bydd yr opsiwn arall yna.
Twym, boiling.
Ie.
So, swapio hwnna I boiling.
Time for some debugging.
I'm in the controls again, click hot settings.
Hot. Feeling hot.
Peter, is somebody cooking hot dogs or are my intestines starting to sizzle?
So, examine the control again. Okay, so fish. Jump allan.
Yeah.
Dwi'n jump allan, ti eisiau newid yn ôl i meat, ti eisiau newid yn ôl I canol dyn.
Okay.
Yn ôl I canol.
Much better.
A nawr fi gallu cael y Gordon. Neu beth bynnag y god, oedd e'n god oedd e, so trysor. Beth bynnag.
Ie.
Oh. Okay. Exit.
That's it, Andy. Right, Andy.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, pigo fe fyny.
No!
Flip. So, literally, os ti ddim yn gwasgu'r optimal symud, ti'n colli fe. Oh, hwnna'n frustrating. Okay, o le fi'n gwybod y patrwm. Just angen neud a lock of lamach. Right, skip.
Yeah.
Now I better put this back.
Damn.
Ah, much better.
Here we go.
Go.
Come in.
Go. Ti eisiau nôl y pin na wedyn gyda llaw, ond dwi'n hwyl yn yma.
Okay. Yes, fi'n curo fe.
I'm sure the guy won't mind.
Okay, dwi'n gallu edrych beth sy'n yn y trysor yma. O, I agor e, falle fi angen y pin?
Pin, ie.
I agor y trysor. O, ddim fanna.
Ti'n ffôn.
Okay, so lawr fe.
Ie.
Well.
Look at this in your inventory to find the key.
Right, mas o fan yna. So ni defnyddio yr allwedd ar
It's not locked.
Ti'n gallu i'r allwedd?
Ie, oedd e wedi popio, cofio o'r person drwg.
Ah, iawn.
Y guard. Snob, yes, snobby guy. Right.
Okay. So, go to the dungeon, up 2 sets of stairs, to reach the second floor landing.
Yeah.
Examine the right gargoyle sculpture to get the green crystal. Did you do the right set of stairs? Yay!
Well, hey. So now...
Oh yeah, because it's that. Yeah, so go right to the Knight's Hall.
Okay.
So the box yma dweud.
Pa box?
Beth ydi prodi yn y box yma?
Oh, nawr mae dyn ni y pin.
Yeah.
This ought to work.
Oh, brilliant.
Hello?
fod yna.
Yeah,
Step
wow.
away from the frog.
It's okay. I'm a friend of your brother's.
My brothers? Did they send you to rescue me?
Well,
Oh, yeah, I knew it. So, my new friend, what's our escape plan?
well, that plan is still kinda in the development stage. Just a few loose notes, really. All right, I don't have a plan.
Oh. Hey, wait a second. Are you the alien?
I guess.
Yeah, I overheard Nefarious talking about you. And some kind of trans-dimensional warp device that he's created. Yeah, created.
Warp device?
He said the device can transport him to your world, and he's been conducting experiments in his headquarters on the 4th floor.
My world. This could be my ticket home. I'm not leaving here without that device. But what about you? I'm afraid this is
Galar
much of a rescue.
Don't worry about me.
Emrys.
Na, ond ysdau.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Mae castell yn ysdau.
Oh, good.
Swim to shore?
then-
But that's impossible.
Good bud.
Oh, Toadstool. Not if you're a frog. Before I go, take this. Yeah,
Yes.
I think it has
So-
something to do with the warp device, but I'm not sure
Dwi
what.
dwi eisiau
One of
ddweud
the
chdi,
fairies
jump
henchmen
fewn i'r
bought-
cret, ysda.
Thanks, Ray.
Thank
Right.
you for freeing me, friend. I'll never forget you. Good luck. Yeah, definitely good luck.
Hiding in a crate. The oldest trick in the book.
Ok, so ti eisiau mynd i'r dde?
Yeah.
Fyny,
Funny.
Ie, fel, na fa. Wrth watcha nhw. Watcha. Na fa. Media ta, dyn nhw wedi cael animedia reit wael yma.
Well,
O.
oh,
O, ys fideo. Ydych chi'n reit sketchy.
Yeah, fi'n deall beth ti'n dweud. Oh, just the style, mae fel aha style, ti'n gwyd a sort
Yeah.
cake on me style, yeah. Fi'n credu
Ti'n
dewis
gweld y
yw e.
pensel.
Yeah. Oh, TNT, brilliant.
Yes! I mean, ribbit. That's enough of that.
But it's
guys,
for hunting
are we
on.
supposed to be guarding these supplies?
we are guarding the supplies.
I thought we were playing cards.
Yo, oce.
We are playing
Pa un stafell yn un byd efo to?
Never mind.
Yr un i heb mynd mewn.
Na, dwi'n mewn un lle yn byd yn y byd ydan. Oedd o rhywun yn ei rhywbeth yna.
Oh, y robot yn neud stuff
Yeah.
gyda'r bwyd, yeah.
Sut, so, robot dy de? He's made of electricity.
Yeah.
Be?
Dŵr,
os ti isio
roi'r
stopio-
bucket o dŵr ar hwnna. Yeah,
Yeah.
got it. Right, hwnna'n neud synwyr.
Dyna ddim yn bell, fan.
Oh, good.
Oops, I've spilled
Brilliant,
water all over that
ready,
poor
ready.
rusty robot.
Tight,
It's
ynddi?
rusted in place.
Okay, so mae dy fi hwnna.
Iawn, so ti isio agor y stof. So, beth ydych chi'n dweud efo nhw?
It's already
So,
cooked.
can you sort
Doesn't need to be flame broiled.
Oh,
It's already cooked.
take a
It's already
turkey. Oh, take a turkey, then use the TNT on it.
Oh, classic. Proper...
Yeah.
Turkey
Worms.
And stuffing.
Yeah, dylen ni
Worms.
dysgu hwnna. Mae hwnna'n un o nhw, yeah? Great.
The fuse is really short. I better
O,
make
nes
this
i wir
fast.
joio ein pencampwriaeth Worms.
Wysio? Beth ti'n dweud yma fan?
It's already cooked.
Open store on, use the turkey.
Oedd hwnna'n lwcus.
Ooh.
Oedd hwnna'n lwcus. Achos o'n i'n dal hwnna am lot o amser. Oh, fi'n hoffi'r cutscenes ma.
ma fuse di mynd o'n sa.
Ie, ar ôl y poer a pethau.
Ie, poer, Dumbwaiter, ti'n gael o hynna?
Dumbwaiter. Ie, dumbwaiter. Ie. Fi di clywed hwnna. Achos, fi di gweithio mewn tafarn. A oedd gyda ni dumbwaiter, ti'n rhoi e fyny. Rusted robot... Right, ni di wneud hwnna.
So fyny grisiau, nes i'n nôl, da ni ti di ystafell yna wan.
Ie.
Iawn, mae gyda ni 3 paragraff ar ôl.
Seriously?
Nag oes, gyda ni fwy yn hynna. Gyda ni 4 paragraff ar ôl.
Ydy'n werth dod nôl. Fi di cael y tap-tap. Fi gallwn ni gael... O, just F5 fews arbed.
Ie. Mae'na just digon i ddweud fatha hanner strif arall.
Brilliant. On yn good, achos gallwn ni meddwl am ail hanner o beth ni gallu gwneud hefyd.
Ie.
So, fel, bron yna fi'n mynd i labelu hwn.
Ie.
Bron yna. Brilliant. Fi'n mynd i checio nawr bod e wedi... F4 yw load? Na, F6. Yeah, there we go. Brilliant.
Ideal.
Okay, brilliant. Wel, fi ddim yn mynd i gesio bod y stream ending thing yn mynd i gweithio, so fi jyst yn mynd i stopio fe'n eitha dramatic.
O, trio fo.
Okay, got it.
Cai weld o fo, llaw.
Pob hwyl pawb, diolch am wylio. Mae wedi bod yn bach o newid. Changing of the guard gyda Streamlabs draw i OBS. Diolch Emrys am helpu fi gyda hwnna. A am eich cwmni'n helpu fi bron gorffen Toonstruck. So, pob hwyl Steffan, neis i clywed o ti. Bydden ni'n gweld chi yn y stream nesaf i gorffen off y gêm yma cyn bo hir. Right, diolch pawb, pob hwyl, ta-ra.
Ta-ra.